We are about to remove the top and bottom vertical shaft gears. As I go through this process, it's going to look like I'm using old footage, and that is because I am. During this process, I didn't necessarily take off screws and parts in the order that I should have, and as I went along, I learned that order of operations is paramount when you are working on a sewing machine. This is footage from me removing the set screw to the top vertical shaft gear. So folks, I finally figured out how to get the screw unloosened. I just needed a totally different tool. And this is the one that's working. I pulled this tool that I normally use on the car, even though I don't work on cars, but I keep a toolbox inside of my car with all of these tools on it just in case I break down or something like that. And this is what's working. So that's what we're gonna use. And I'm mad afraid of losing the screws, so I'm gonna put a magnet on the other end. To catch it just in case it falls. Okay, there's that screw. It's coming out. And I have the screw with the magnet here. And I'm just going to place that to the side. So I actually thought that the phone was recording and it wasn't. This right here was fairly easy to get out. You just take like a light, so it was in there like this. And you just take this tool right here. I think this is one of my most used tools. I got it from Harbor Freight. Take this, get your mallet if you don't have much strength like me. Hit it once or twice. It'll fall out through the bottom of the machine. Then you can grab it and then pull out this gear that's up at the top. Assuming that you've already taken off the set screw for the bottom vertical shaft gear, that will also come out from the bottom of the machine along with the shaft itself. I hope this video has been helpful. I do have one full video of all of the gears being removed from this machine, and if you'd like to check that out, please click the link that is somewhere here on screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.